I want to show you some cool new wireless chargers from Mophie that I've been using for a little over the past month to stay charged at home and on the go. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com, and if you have a newer iPhone and most Android phones, you're able to basically put them on a wireless charger and they'll start charging without the need to plug anything in. It's perfect for at a desk, it's perfect for on your nightstand, secondary work locations, and with this handy little package here, even on the go. Now there are a couple other solutions, so I'm going to give you a closer look at what I'm using to stay wirelessly charged. And for the past month, I've tried to wirelessly charge as much as possible, and with the iPhone 10 and with the iPhone 8 Plus, it's pretty easy to stick with that most of the time. There's a few times where I've used a lightning cable in a car for CarPlay, and in cases where I'm in someone else's car to charge up on a road trip. Most of my charging for the last month or so has been on these Mophie wireless chargers and a few others. This is the Mophie Charge StreamPad Plus. It's available in white and black for $49.95, and it really matches this desk that I have here. This is my autonomous.ai desk. It's a sit-stand desk, so I can raise it and lower it, and I really like this. It's a nice, simple design. It has this small grip on the bottom, and it doesn't have a bright LED that's going to distract me. It has a micro USB charging cord, and it comes with the adapter that you're going to plug in to power. And so while I'm working, I'll just set my phone on this and it's going to start charging. From there, I can keep working and my phone will basically charge itself up during the day. I use my AirPods so that when I'm on a call, I can leave my phone charging here, just pull my AirPods out of the case, and I'm going to be able to always have a full charge, because FaceTime audio and phone calls really drain the battery life. And with this, I don't have to unplug something, so if I'm going to walk into the other room, I can just grab this and walk around. When I get back, I drop it on and it's going to start charging again. And this works with slim cases. This works in a variety of orientations. With a bigger phone like the iPhone 8 Plus, you do need to kind of pay more attention to where you place it. With the iPhone 10, it's really easy to just drop it on there and about anywhere it's going to start charging. This also works with the iPhone 8 and a variety of Samsung phones. So if you have a friend over or a coworker, they can charge on this as well. But this isn't the only one I'm using. I'm fortunate enough to have a couple places where I work, and this is my sunroom, which is where I work a lot in the morning. It's great to come out here with a cup of coffee. And over here I've put another Charge StreamPad Plus right on the windowsill. It's small enough, it fits in here really nice. It plugs in down here. I do kind of have a cord problem out here, but since I can quickly unplug these if we're gonna have company over, it's really easy. And so I have this setting here, and I'll just stick my phone on it, and it's gonna start charging while I'm working out here. I can charge my phone, I can charge my MacBook, and I'm good to go. And this is handy because I like to grab my phone off the charging base and take it with me as I walk through the house on phone calls and things like that. So another great area to put one of these. You can also stick one as a secondary on your nightstand, but I'll show you what I'm using there right now. So at night I have my charging station here where I can put my Apple Watch, I can charge my sleep phones from Acoustic Sheep, and then I have the Mophie wireless charger, and this is their travel charger that you can also use in the car, and it fits in real nice here because it's nice and low profile. And basically I just set my phone in here and it's going to start charging, and then I don't have to fumble with cables at night. It also keeps the nightstand pretty clean. There's some cables coming out the back, of course, but I don't have things going all over. The one thing I would add to putting wireless chargers everywhere is to get one fast charger that is a USB-C to lightning cable, so that you can go from about 25% to 75% in about 30 minutes. And that'll really save your butt if you get into a jam where you haven't charged all day or you've been on a bunch of phone calls and you really need to top up before you head out for the evening. Thanks for checking out how I use wireless charging. You can head over to GottaBeMobile.com to see more and our favorite wireless chargers.